Hello everyone, welcome back to 5 Best Pro. In this video we are going to check out the top 3 best alternating pressure mattresses. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 3. We have the Vive Medical Alternating Pressure Pump and Pad System. With a weightability of 300 pounds, a pinnacle of dimensions 123 by using 36 inches, and a thickness of 5 inches. This mattress is ideal for use via massive-bodied adults who are bedridden because of again or neck problems. Its pump works on a 5-minute cycle at 4 liters per minute. It is simple to install and can produce a variable strain for an added consolation. The pump operates with a quiet ear, the usage of a 240 strength supply, so your patient isn't disturbed by way of noise at some point of his/her sleep. With a few long end flaps, you'll without problems mount this mattress on an ordinary mattress and, if you desire to create a health facility mattress, revel in a domestic. You will should increase each the regular mattress and the alternating strain mattress at an attitude of between 40 and 60 stages. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 2. We have the Vive Medical Mattress Replacement System with alternating pressure. This bed operates in each alternating and static pressure modes, being manufactured from nylon and PVC cloth. This product guarantees you of sturdiness, durability, and comfort. The comfort is stronger by using 20 air bladders, 9 of which have laser holes that make sure a regular and effective low air loss. The cowl comes with a zipper and being nylon, and it is easy to wipe smooth. About the pump, this bed has one in every of its type. It has a pumping price of 8 liters per minute and a cycle of 10 minutes, measures 11 through 8.1 by way of 3/9 inches. And has a visual and audible alarm that cautions you when strain drops beneath 10 mmHg. And finally at number 1. We have the Alternating Pressure Mattress by Vive. Top of our listing is that this alternating stress bed, whose specific features include a durable and water-resistant pad, an extremely quiet alternating pump, and a smooth-to-steady installation guide. The alternating inflation and deflation ensure that at any given time, half of the 8 cells are inflated, and the opposite half is deflated. You will need a strength enter of AC 110 for the bed to function of a converter to step down any voltage better than that. If your affected person is an aspect sleeper or a back sleeper, this bed will work well for him/her. The product seems more steeply priced than it sincerely is. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.